Welcome to another video. Yet again, this is an emergency upload because I do think this penny stock can go absolutely parabolic and have a catastrophic type move. But before we actually get into this, I do want to basically show you guys something just for a few seconds. So on my last video, just one day ago, you can see I called out ticker GELS, Geltech Limited at $2.28. You can see in the top right of this video, that was the price just yesterday when I did call this one out. And you can see on the chart right here, if you actually go on the 1 hour chart, you can see the next day after this alert came out, this one ran all the way up to $6.43. Actually just came back down, is currently trading at $4.34. But this was a massive, over a 180% gainer. Caught on this channel, just under a 200% gainer, guys. So drop a quick like for me on this video if you are enjoying this content. It does really help me out. I'm not selling you any type of paid program or anything like that, and a lot of time and research does go into finding these hidden gems in the penny stock market. But this is a very nice play. This is a tiny $10 million market cap company that just had a massive purchase agreement with ticker KNX, which is just under a $10 billion corporation that has over 24,000 employees with over 130 different locations. This was announced pretty recently, just under 2 months ago, and this one is sitting on daily, weekly, and monthly support. And you can see every time it hits this level, we do see a massive bounce. And on the daily chart, there is a quadruple bottom indicating this one is completely oversold. RSI is sitting around 40. I believe it's 30 on the weekly, and maybe even less than that, or around 30 on the monthly time frame as well. So this one is ready for that massive bounce. And the CEO himself has just loaded up on shares at $2.12, which is almost double the current stock price. So he actually just did this less than a month ago, just a few weeks ago, indicating he is very bullish about his company. This is a tiny 2 million share float with absolutely zero dilution. This is ticker ZONE, Zone Clean Core Solutions Inc., which is currently trading at $1.30, or just under that level. Now, Clean Core Solutions Inc. engages in developing, manufacturing, and selling cleaning products that produce pure aqueous ozone for professional, industrial, and home use. The company's products include fill station, power caddies, and power mini caddy, ice treatment machines, commercial laundry, and residential laundry. It offers products and solutions that are marketed for janitorial and sanitation, as well as ice machine cleaning, laundry, and industrial industries. They have been very active with their PRs, like I said. So just looking at this, in July, they did secure a pilot program with a company that has over 500,000 employees. So keep in mind, all of these current pilot programs are very big catalysts, because these can turn into signed contracts at any time, and they do have a 98% success rate with these trial programs. So just in July, they had this launch of this revenue generating pilot program with one of the world's leading international logistics companies, Fortune 50 logistics company. This customer has an enormous international footprint consisting of warehouse facilities as well as aircraft and ground transportation vehicles. Furthermore, this client has a workforce of over 500,000 employees globally, emphasizing the importance of safer cleaning solutions. And basically, there is a lot of room for future orders from this massive logistics company. So looking at something else, Clean Core Solutions announces successful installation of over 200 cleaning systems at a leading university in the United States. So once again, this installation began with a successful pilot program of 30 units and already has turned into a order of 200 units very quickly. And just a few weeks ago, they did launch a pilot program with an international hotel chain. So this pilot program alone has the potential to expand throughout their complete hotel chain, which spans over 1,000 hotels in 8 countries and 3 continents. Looking at the chart, you can see on the daily, this one does have that, quadruple bottom coming off a double bottom right now, but you can see it has touched this one many times in the past and always does see a very nice movement from this area. So I really do like this one on the weekly chart. You can see this is a triple bottom, actually multiple touches, more than that. So very nice support level on the weekly, and then on the monthly, obviously looks like a very nice support level that it always does bounce and repel off of. So looking at this, RSI is sitting at 30 on the weekly, or just around that level, 35, I think. And then on the daily, RSI is sitting just around 38, 39. So indicating this one is completely oversold. And we just had the CEO load up shares. So, really do like the chart here. It looks completely bottomed out. And if you actually look at this, this is actually the all-time low that it continuously, rebounds off of. So a very nice level that it does reject off of as, a very nice wall of support. So looking at this, very small 2 million share float. Market cap is sitting at $10.9 million. So a very low valuation. Also, something I must note right here is there is a tremendous amount of range on this chart, as just a few days ago, or just a week or two ago, this one ran all the way up to $2.55. Actually had that massive run, actually hit highs of $2.75. So this one could easily double and go beyond that. But guys, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, nothing like that. I'm just giving you trading ideas. I am loaded up on this one. And at the end of the day, I'm not going to tell you when to buy or sell. I actually cannot physically tell you when to buy or sell stocks. So just remember that. Just be careful. If this one does have a massive squeeze, what I like to do is to secure some profits and let the rest ride risk-free. So basically take your cut, and then the rest is just risk-free. You're basically riding completely free, so it doesn't really matter what happens after that. But that is if it does have a parabolic type run. So this one is currently trading at $1.28. So a lot of things going on with this company we need to talk about. So just on November 19th, we did get this Form 4 filing. Now, what are Form 4 filings? It's basically insider transactions, basically people who buy and sell stocks. So looking at this one, we did have the CEO, Clayton Adams. He did purchase 10,000 shares at a price of $2.12. So basically a $22,000 purchase, maybe $23,000 around that level. Pretty big purchase, not too big, not too crazy, but you can see the last Form 4 was on back in July. He only purchased 5,000 at $2.37. So he is watching this one, just made the biggest purchase he's made in basically all year, at least in the second half of the year, because he purchased 1,000, you can see, at $3 per share, $3.05. Then he made his second one. These are just in the last few months since May 30th. But the second Form 4, he bought at $2.37 and he purchased 5,000. He just made his biggest purchase just 1 month ago, indicating he is actually very bullish on the stock price and the future of the company for tickers ZONE. So this is one I really do like. I like the chart. I like the catalyst. I like the active PRs. Looking at this, they did actually have that initial purchase agreement with ticker KNX. Now, like I said, ticker KNX is just under a $10 billion corporation trading at $57 per share. So this one right now, as of right now, does have a $9.2 billion market cap. Actually was trading at $60 per share not too long ago, and is growing very rapidly, at least over the last few months. So that's actually looking pretty good. So they actually had this initial purchase agreement, and something very big about this one is, like I said, they do have 24,000 plus employees, approximately 19,000 tractors, and 58,000 trailers. So obviously there's a lot of room for expansion. They're going to need a lot of cleaning products. We're going to talk about their diversified lineup of cleaning products, but basically they're targeting big corporations that need cleaning solutions and sanitizing solutions. So there's a very big market for what they're doing. So we're going to talk about how big that market is. So you can see clean and green products are on the rise. There's like a very large growing demand for green cleaning and eco-friendly products that are effective, safe, and sanitary. So a $92 billion global service cleaning market by 2027 with a 8% CAGR compound annual growth rate, a $33.8 billion global household cleaners market. And this is according to a 2020 evaluation. This is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 5% from 2022 to 2028. So a pretty high CAGR, not the highest, but still a lot of growth. A $2.4 billion US food and beverage cleaning market, which does have a bigger, 7% CAGR rate. They do have this unique patented technology. So these are actually patent numbers. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about, 14 patents that are owned by CleanCore. So 2 of these are pending and 2 are published, it looks like. So they do have, 8 different products. They have the fill station, which is a wall-mounted dispenser, which basically has on-site, on-demand cleaning solutions whenever you need to clean. So restrooms, hallways, basically anywhere. They have the Fill Station 3.0, which is an upgraded version of this. They have the Power Caddy, which is their patented pure aqueous ozone technology that provides worry-free, safer cleaning and sanitizing on a sanitizing solution to quickly clean and deodorize any surface. And then they have the Mini Caddy, basically looks like a smaller version of the Power Caddy. Then they have the ice treatment machine, the Q3 Clean Pack, which is a portable battery-powered cleaning solution. It's very versatile, ergonomically designed, and cartridge-free. That looks like this one is ideal for those hard-to-access areas. It includes a versatile wand with a fan spray tip and battery life of 4 continuous hours and 12 different color options. Then they have the commercial laundry product and the residential laundry product as well. So a very diversified lineup right here. Like I said, Zone boasts a successful track record with 98% of pilot programs resulting in signed contracts. So this is one that just IPO'd in March, a pretty fresh company to enter the public market. So very nice track record right here. So we're going to look at this one. We could actually, that's another big catalyst, when this one, this pilot program could turn to a signed contract. So we're going to look at something else right here. When it comes down to it, you really have to consider, is there a high demand for what they're doing? And I think the answer is yes, is a strong yes, because there is a tremendous amount of different industries that they can directly target. So just looking at a few of these, just on their website, let's actually scroll down. I think they have a list. So they can target the residential market, which is a huge market. They can target businesses, including offices, restaurants, the healthcare sector, schools, arenas, government agencies, government corporations. So there's actually a need for what they're doing in pretty much every single industry. They have products for, every single industry as well. So to sum it up, they're trying to revolutionize the entire cleaning industry and dominate it as well. So ticker ZONE, CleanCore Solutions Inc. does have some potential. And just keep in mind, ever since they IPO'd just a few months ago, they have secured numerous very big contracts with some very massive corporations. Just got that pilot program with an international hotel chain, and there's just a lot going for this play. Let me know in the comments what you think about this play, any other plays you're watching. If you did make it this far in the video, really do appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video.